Do you know that you can make up to $70 just by answering questions online and helping other people to find solutions for their problems? It is possible and it's up to $70 per hour. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Well, in today's video, as I was talking about, I'm going to talk about a website that is called Just Answer. You can earn money by providing your services online, by helping others to, you can help others to find questions or solutions to their problems. Okay, so if you have any set of skills, you can provide your service in this website and get paid by doing this. Like you've seen here, earn money by offering your services online, become an expert on Just Answer, and work when and where you want, doing what you want. And the best thing about this website guys is that you set your hours. Okay, you can work whenever you want and wherever you want. So what you have to do guys is to apply to this website, and the application process is like you're seeing here. If you want to apply, that will take you at least 30 minutes, and you will have to finish in one session. You can finish it in one session or start and finish it later. So to apply, those are the 3 steps that you want to know. The first step guys is to select your category, which is the type or the specialty. Okay, so you select your specialty. You start by finding and selecting your category. Apply to as many categories as you like. That means you don't have to apply to one of them. If you have a set of skills, you can apply to a lot of them. Okay, you can apply, for example, to some finance things, something related to finance, and something that is related to I don't know, maybe something that is related to arts or something like that. Okay, so that depends on the set of skills that you have. The step number 2 guys is to submit your information, to update, or to upload a resume or enter your personal information, a work history, and education. And the third step guys is to submit a professional credentials, which is the requirements that can vary by category. It could be 4 years to get accepted in a kind of specialty, in some kind of specialties, and in some other kind of specialties that will take you at least, or you will need to have at least 2 years. Okay, 2 years experience in that specialty to get accepted. For some of them just 1 year, for some of them 2 years, as I said, and for some of them 4 years. Okay, so if you are ready to apply, all you need guys is a professional verification such as a diploma, a state license, or certification, a personal identification such as social security number or passport number, resume, which is optional, but I prefer, or I would recommend, to upload your resume. That will make them, or that will increase your chances to get accepted in this website. Okay, so if you are expert in something, you can provide your service in this website and you can get paid as much as $70 per hour guys, $70 per hour. Okay, I was looking for some reviews and I've seen like some people making thousands of dollars from this website. So this is a legit website. You will get paid through PayPal. And there's another thing guys, if you can refer someone to this website, you will get an Amazon gift card, a $15 Amazon gift card. If you refer someone to this website and get accepted, you will get that right away. Okay, so isn't it amazing guys, just to get money just by doing something you want? You can work whenever you want and wherever you want. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. If you think guys that this is not for you, you just have to go down there and see the kinds of the types or the categories that you can get accepted on. For example, if you know anything about animal behaviors, you can apply to this one. If you know anything about cars, you can apply to this one. There are a lot of subcategories right here. Okay, you can just choose one of them. If you know, for example, about the cheap cars like Fords, the Lincoln cars, I don't know, like the Buick cars or the Nissan cars, you can help people to answering their questions and finding solution to their problems, okay, that are related to some kind of course. Okay, if you know anything, for example, about law, for example, about the Canadian law, the US law, the European or the French law, you can help people with that too. Okay, so this is the website, guys. This is how it looks. It is easy to apply to the website, and it is easy to get accepted if you have some set of skills. However, that will take around 5 to 10 business days to verify your application, okay, and to just to tell you or to inform you whether or not you're accepted or not. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Isn't it amazing, guys, to make money by just doing something that you actually love and make thousands of it? It is really amazing, and I suggest you go and visit this website right now. It is a legit website that will pay you up to $70. I mean, that could be one of the best things that you can start doing online. Well, this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. Take care.